Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to export products to Excel. So let's see how can we export products to Excel. So first of all, let's install a package. So go to the Google and search here mat website/Excel. Okay. Now just click on this first link. Okay, let's copy this composer command. And this time the current version is 3.1.68. okay, so go to the command prompt and here let's execute the composer command. So write this composer require a space mat website/excel and also put here the current version. So write here colon sign and current version, which is 3.1.68. okay, so right here 3.1.68. okay, now hit enter. Okay, package is installed. Now let's generate an export class for the product model. For that, let's execute the command php artisan make colon export a space class name, which is product export class, a space, also add here the model. So right here dash dash model is equal to product model. Okay, now hit enter. Alright, product export class created. Now let's open this product export class. So go to the VS Code and just go inside the app directory, then exports, and let's open the product export class. Okay, now inside this product export class, inside this collection method, just return here product colon colon with and pass here the brand and category. Okay, and then call the get method. Just return this. Now let's define headers for the Excel file. So let's create another function. So write here public function headings and also add here the return type array, and inside this array just return id, then product name, SKU, and then brand, category, then regular price, sale price, and then stock status, and one more which is a status. And now after this let's map the data for each row. So for that let's create another function. So write here public function and function name, which is map, and inside this just pass here the product and return type array. Okay, and inside this return array just write here product arrow id, name, SKU, brand name, category, regular price, sale price, stock status, and a status. Okay, and now after this let's implement some class here. So right here after this form collection just add here comma with headings and with mapping. Okay, and also import here. So right here use mat website excel concerns with headings, and one more which is this one with mapping. Now save this, and now let's open the product controller. So just go inside the http directory, then controllers, and let's open the product controller, and here let's create a function. So after this let's create here a new function. So write here public function and function name, which is product export, and inside this just return excel : download, and just pass here the object of the product export class. So write here new, and then this one, just remove this and this class, okay, product export, and then pass here the file name of excel, which is products.xlsx. and now just import this excel and product export. So here go to the top of the page and just write here use app/export/product export, and another one which is use mat website/excel/facade/excel. Now save this file, and let's create a route for this function. So go to the web.php. So just go inside the routes directory, then web.php, and here inside this, after this, just create a new route. So write here route : get, and put here the URL, this one, class name product controller, and function name product export, and put here the route name, this one. Now let's copy this route name and save this file, and let's open the products view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, admin, and let's open this one, products view file. And inside this product view file, here inside this export button, first of all let's convert this button to the anchor tag. So just write here a tag, and also close this, and put here the href is equal to double curly bracket route, and inside this route just pass here the route name, which is admin.product.export. okay, now save this, and now it's done. So let's check. So first of all let's run the application. So write here php artisan serve. Okay, now go back to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, now let's export. So just click on export link. Okay, here is one error called to undefined relation. Okay, spelling mistake, so just correct this. So let's open the export class, this one, product export class, and here just correct the model name, which is brand, and category. Okay, now save this, and let's check again. So just go back and refresh the page. Now just click on export, and you can see here excel file downloaded. Okay, now let's open this, and you can see here the excel. Inside this excel, this is the header, which is ID, name, SKU, brand, category, regular price, sale price, stock status, and status. Okay, and here it's showing the name, but the SKU is not showing, and also it's not showing the brand. So let's check. So here inside this map, okay, spelling mistake, so just correct this, brand, and also make this SKU in capital SKU. Now save this, and let's check again. So here just refresh the page. Now click on export, open this, and this time you can see here the SKU, brand, category, regular price, sale price, and stock status. Okay, this video covers export products to Excel for the admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.